What is idle time? In today's video, we'll cover the basics of this important topic and share ways to measure and improve it. Idle time is the amount of time an asset, whether it is a machine or an employee, is ready and available to work but isn't. Idle time can take many forms, such as a machine waiting for input material, an office employee waiting for the return of an interrupted internet connection, or a truck on a construction site waiting for an excavator to move. It is also frequently referred to as waiting time. Now remember that idle time is different from downtime. While both terms refer to work stoppages, downtime occurs because a machine is not capable of running due to scheduled maintenance or machine failure. Idle time, on the other hand, occurs when an asset can run but doesn't. While these kinds of stops and starts are inevitable, it is important to understand idle time at your organization, because every minute your machine or employee spends idle is a minute of lost production. So how do you calculate idle time? Idle time represents the difference between the time an asset is scheduled to run and its actual productive hours. For example, if an employee tracks 7 hours and 20 minutes of productive work in an 8-hour shift, they had 40 minutes of idle time. Calculating idle time for machines can be more complex. Let's take an example. A machine is scheduled to work for 16 hours, or 900 minutes. But with several interruptions, like 75 minutes waiting for input material, 10 minutes on an extended shift change, and 40 minutes to fix a breakdown on another piece of equipment in the production line, the machine has only worked for 775 minutes. That is 125 minutes of idle time. Should you try to eliminate all idle time? No. But excessive idle time can harm your organization in the long run, leading to lost revenue and increased costs. The key is to monitor idle time so you can find any solvable or systemic inefficiencies causing it. These may be things like worker inefficiencies that result from burnout or lack of training, process and workflow inefficiencies such as approvals or documentation, faulty equipment due to lack of maintenance, accidents and natural disasters causing interruptions like power outages. How can you reduce idle time and boost productivity? First, optimize your workflow. Look for bottlenecks and inefficiencies in your processes. Create manageable schedules and eliminate unnecessary tasks. Take care of your equipment. Implement preventive maintenance plans. Use condition monitoring and autonomous maintenance to address wear and tear early, and use a CMMS to ensure maintenance work is done regularly. Improve communication. Streamline the flow of information, reduce bureaucratic layers, and use software solutions to automate tasks and track work. It's not always simple, but the benefits of reducing idle time make it a worthy pursuit. Whether you're managing a team of employees or a production line of equipment, understanding and tackling idle time can lead to increased efficiency and success. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more informative videos. And visit limblecmms.com for more strategies that can optimize your productivity. See you next time.